Hello and welcome to the Altium Designer tutorial series. In this first tutorial, we will learn how to create new project and save it. Let's begin. Double-click on the Altium Designer icon to launch the software. Once Altium Designer is open, navigate to the main menu. Click on the File tab. Here, you have the option to either open a saved project or create a new one. For now, we'll focus on creating a new PCB project. We'll explore other project types in later tutorials. Press OK to continue. Now you have PCB project. Right-click on PCB project and a new schematic to the project. And also add a PCB in the same project. Remember, create schematics and PCB in the same project, so that they are linked together. To understand this, let's take an example. This is a project, which has one schematic and a PCB present in the same project. In this PCB, the name of this designator is too long. Let's change the name in schematic. Double-click on the component to change the name. Type the new name. Press OK. Now, go to Design tab and update the PCB document. Now, you see this PCB is linked to schematic. As we change the name of pad in the schematic, then, same will be updated in PCB. So this is the advantage of creating the schematic and PCB in the same project. Now come back to our project. We have already created the schematic and PCB layout. Now, we add some libraries to the project. You can add already existing libraries in the project, or create the new one. I am adding a blank schematic library in the project. At this time no item is present in the library, as I have created a new library. From the bottom, you can change the library view or project view. Now, add PCB library to the project. Now we have created a essential document to start the design. Now save these documents and project. That's all from the first video. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to import symbols and footprints libraries into Altium. Stay tuned.